Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I'll show you how you can install software automation testing tool Playwright on your system. As you know, Playwright is one of most popular and famous software automation testing tool. It supports cross-browser testing, cross-platform testing, and also it supports multiple languages. As you know, Playwright is developed by Microsoft. So Playwright installation has some sort of prerequisite like Visual Studio Code needs to install on your system. Also NPM needs to be installed on your system. If you have a Node.js installation, NPM comes with the Node.js. Those who are new in for those installation, I have a separate video for that. I'll put that link in the description box. You can watch from there. So let's go to the computer screen. I'll show you step-by-step process how to install Playwright on your system. Hello viewer, now I am at computer screen. As part of today's tutorial, I set it up topics this way. How to install Playwright. First we will create a folder for Playwright. In your computer, any location you can create this folder. Open command prompt from that location, then we will run the command npm init playwright @latest. So basically npm is the node package manager. If you install Node.js on your system, so npm will automatically comes with that. So you need to have prerequisite as I mentioned, that is Node install and also Visual Studio Code install. Those who are new doesn't know how to do that, I have a separate video for that. I will put that link in the description box. You can watch from there. Then open folder from Visual Studio Code. Then we'll run our first test. So first I will create a folder. So I'll create a folder in this location. As I mentioned, you can create this folder any location in your computer. So right click, then new, then folder. So folder name is Playwright. So once your folder creation is done, open that folder, then go to the address bar, folder address bar, type cmd, then hit enter. Once your command prompt open from that location, then you need to write your command npm init init playwright @latest. This command will install Playwright on your system. So now the question is, it will give you a couple of questions during the installation. You have to follow that thing. Then hit enter. Once your command written is done, then hit enter. You see it is working. First thing it is asking, do you want to TypeScript or JavaScript? I'll go with the JavaScript. Anything, whatever you want to do, select that, then hit enter from keyboard. Now it is asking where to put your end-to-end test. I'll put that in the test folder, whatever defaults comes in. Then hit enter. Then it is asking add a GitHub action workflow. So if you want to connect GitHub, then you will take that. Otherwise it is no means false. I'm not taking right now. Then false. Then hit enter. Now install Playwright browser can be manually via Playwright install, that you can do, or you can install through this command prompt. So it is true. Yes, we need that. Hit enter. Now initializing npm project, then it is start installing all of those things, whatever needed. You see it is working now. Once it is done, it will give you the message. So everything is done. Last message is happy hacking. That means your installation is completed. If you go to your folder, you see lot of thing is created. In before it was empty folder. So let's get out from the command prompt with the exit command. Then you need to open Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code, open that Visual Studio Code. Here you need to go file, then open folder. You need to go where you put it your folder. My folder is under C drive. Here it is software testing. Under that Playwright, select the folder, then select folder, it will open in Visual Studio Code, whatever it is coming. So here there is multiple thing over here. So as a first tutorial, so that is the installation part is done through the command prompt. Also here is another option, Visual Studio Code extension. Click there and also type in search box Playwright. You see first option Playwright is the coming from the Microsoft, because Playwright developed by Microsoft. Take that installation. Click over here. It will take single moment. It is done. You see Playwright installation is done also Visual Studio Code. Close that one. Go to the file explorer. It is your test, right? So now from the test folder, if you see, that is the by default it is comes with that example.spec.js. if you take TypeScript, it will come with a TS. So that's the test you can run. So just whatever it is, just run it. Let's see how it works. Click over here. You see in the test result window, it is running one test using one worker. So that means it is running. Let's see how it goes. As it is first time run, that's why it is taking little time. It is completed one past. One thing you noticed here, it did not even open the browser. Basically the script is run with a headless browser mode. So now if you want to open the browser, so it supports multiple browser. So go to the left side of the Visual Studio Code. You see over here testing, click that option. Then you see the test explorer, test run, multiple thing over here. So if you click test explorer, you see here the show browser option. This checkbox needs to check. If it is unchecked, your browser will not open. It will run as a headless browser mode. Also, if you want to run this test with all browser, Firefox, WebKit, then you need to select all. So as a first time testing purpose, we will do only one browser, Chromium. Then once it is selected and show browser selected, then you need to save your file. File, save. Once it is saved, then you can come to the script and you can run again. Click run. You see, now it is running. You see browser open, playwright.dev navigated. That means it works as expected. So you see it is fast. It is so fast and easy. It's a very useful tool for software automation testing, which is developed by Microsoft. And you can learn, follow our channel Playwright tutorial playlist. Then you can learn from the start to the advanced level. Today is the first tutorial installation and first test run. That's all for today's tutorial. I believe those who are new in software automation testing as well as installing Playwright on your system, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.